Welcome everyone. Today we explore the EVEBOT Coffee Latte Art Machine EB Pro, a machine designed to print selfies and custom designs on drinks with precision. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this coffee latte art machine at the best price. This innovative machine is perfect for cafes, bars, and even home enthusiasts who want to create personalized drinks. The EB Pro features a high-speed printing system with remarkable accuracy, capable of reproducing portraits, logos, or intricate designs on coffee, lattes, cocktails, or even beer foam. One of the standout features is the built-in camera, which allows you to capture a photo and print it directly on your drink without needing any internet connection. This makes it ideal for birthdays, special events, or just a fun twist on your daily coffee routine. Using the EB Pro is surprisingly simple. You just scan the QR code on the machine with your mobile device to upload your images, either from the system gallery or custom pictures. Each uploaded image receives a unique number, making it easy to manage multiple orders or repeat favorite designs. While the machine is compact and sturdy, with a weight of 13 kilograms and a maximum cup height of 18 centimeters, it still offers a professional-grade printing experience with 600 dpi resolution and a speed of 5 to 15 seconds per print. There are a few minor considerations to keep in mind. The nozzles may occasionally clog, but the manual provides easy cleaning instructions. Also, the fancy box included has a shelf life of up to 12 months unopened and 6 months once opened, so plan usage accordingly. Overall, the EVEBOT EB Pro combines fun, personalization, and efficiency in a professional-looking device that elevates any cafe or event setup. If you're looking to impress guests or customers with unique latte art while enjoying a reliable and user-friendly machine, this is a product worth considering. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab your EVEBOT EB Pro Coffee Latte Art Machine at the best price and start creating unforgettable personalized drinks today.